Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a few things, but first of all is my Nadine West bag. So it's another pretty big bag this month. So let's dig in and see what we got. Alright, as you can see, I have not yet opened it. Nadine West, it's a little bit short of $10 for each package for the shipping. That is then applied to anything that you purchase from the bag. I am a VIP member, so I don't have to pay for the shipping. So then I, don't have anything that's applied to the purchase. So here is my bundle. Looks a little colorful. All right. The fun thing about Nadine West is it's just really random. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes it's what looks to be scary in this. Sometimes it's something that you will wear. So, but it's just kind of random and fun. All right. I'm going to set these down so you're going to lose me every once in a while. All right, first up is a shirt by MOA. This is actually kind of cute. It's got a little lace pocket here and then a little trim on the sleeves. And just a tiny bit of a shark bite on the bottom. Not much. And then it's just got a kind of a scalloped bottom here. But this is actually a pretty cute shirt, so that looks good. Next up is by Bozzolo, and I don't think I've ever heard of this brand for Nadine West before. This is just, it's a pretty mauve color. It's got the lattice front, which I'm not too big of a fan of. Sometimes they just dip a little low for me. But this has got a nice rounded hem, so that's a cute top. I actually like that color a lot, so we shall see. Next up, these really just aren't for me. They're super soft. They are fleece lined legging. They are, like I said, super soft. I can't even describe to you how soft these are. These are, let's see, by, it just says 8. Shosho. So, by Shosho. So, they look pretty comfortable, but number one, I'm usually pretty hot. And number two, I wouldn't wear these outside of the house. So that kind of limits, what I would want, for leggings, just because I wouldn't wear them outside. So, and I do work full time, and would never be able to wear those at work unless it was like pajama day. All right. Here is the necklace that I got. And this is actually pretty cute. I've said in a lot of my ratings that I do like bigger necklaces. So that actually lays real nice. A little cheap, but just with a little black stone, but that's really cute. And then little bracelets. Looks like I've got a set of bracelets. These are by It's Sense, lead and nickel compliant. But these look really small. So if you have a big wrist like I do. These may not be the best for you. So yeah, these don't fit me. Well, they fit, and they do have a little, you know, a little bit of room. I just can't try to put them all on at one time. So there, you know, there is space. Maybe I should say I have a big hand. But actually they're kind of cute. So, and I don't have anything like that. They're just hard to get off. Okay, let's check out the prices. All right, the black top with the floral sleeves is $24.49. The purple top is $24.49. The leggings are $19.99. The Wednesday pendant is $14.99. And the bracelet set is $15.99. So they do not give you a total on this. And right now I don't have any credits at all. So I'll try things on and we'll see how things go. You already saw the necklace. We'll have to see. I do have quite a few necklaces. I don't have many bracelets, but those were a pain to get over the hand. So hold on. I'm not going to try on the leggings because number one, it's hard to show bottoms in these videos, and number two, I'm not going to keep them. So, but I'll put on the top. First up is the mauve colored top. It's actually really cute, really flowy fabric. A little low cut for me. I do have a cami underneath it, but I pulled it down just to kind of get the full shebang. Plus my cami is like a bright pink. So, but that's actually a cute top. The placement of the pocket is a little unfortunate. Kind of sets, it's not right on the bust, kind of sits right on top of it. I think without the pocket, it would be a for sure. I don't, you know, I'm sure it would leave holes if I tried to remove the pocket. It's cute now. It's just a little unfortunate for the placement. So, otherwise the top fits really well and it's super flowy. I just think this would be real nice, for transitional weather. And it's just really, really comfortable. So if I could get over that pocket placement, you know, my chest is a little bit lower than that, but a little awkward for that pocket. You know, I don't usually wear pockets on my shirt, especially right up here. I don't mind them down on the bottom, but the unfortunate thing about this necklace, the stone pops right out. It just sets in there, and there's, you know, a hole in this, and it comes right out. So that I will not be keeping, because I would lose the stone right away. So that will be going back. I'll probably keep the two shirts. I'll get over this. I'll get over that. It's a super cute pocket. So, but I'll probably keep the two shirts and send the rest back. I do really need tops like this. So, so these are perfect for what I need. And way to go, Nadine West. It was a great little bag. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, hit that like button. I do a sub for sub, so if you're watching this and can hit that subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great night.